Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use overlay, splice, mask, and also chroma tools in CapCut. So I'm going to just start how you can use the overlay. Here I've already add a main video in my CapCut like this, and let's say I want to add overlay. So you can just click on this overlay button, add overlay, and then just find the overlay photo or videos that you want to add. For example, I'm going to add this white overlay into my videos. Click on add, and just like that, the overlay will be added. You can adjust the size, and to make it blend with the main video, you can use Splice. So in here on the overlay, you can see at the bottom there is Splice options. Click on Splice, and here there are lots of modes that you can select it. For example, I'm going to go with filter. Here you can adjust the opacity like this, so that the overlay and the main video blend. Click on a check icon, and now for the masking, here let's say I want to mask the overlay. So I'm going to just go like this. So you can see, click on the overlay and swipe until you find mask. So by masking, you can choose a shape that you want. Here for example, I'm going to go with the rectangle mask, just like this. You can see it will be you can adjust the size to your liking. You can also invert it just like this, so that the main video now will have like a kind of frame around it. You can click on a check icon, and if you want to use chroma tool, lastly, so I'm going to add a green screen overlay, let's say. And to remove the green screen, you can use the chroma key. So I'm going to add this one, for example. Now click on add, and let's remove the green screen using the chroma tools. So click on the green screen and find the remove background. Here you'll find the chroma key. Just drag the color picker into the green screen, and just like that, you can adjust the intensity and the shadow, and the green screen will be removed. Click on a check icon, and that's it. So that's a simple tutorial from me. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.